Like and subscribe right now, or this spider will crawl on your face when you're sleeping. From walking trees, giant lilies, man-eating flowers, to pink dolphins, poison dart frogs, and POTOO birds, here are 15 terrifying things found in the Amazon rainforest. Number 15. POTOO bird. Frightening hunter from the depths of the Amazon, this crazy bird has extraordinary camouflage skills, and I'm confused whether it's more haunting or more beautiful. I called it crazy because of its unpredictable behavior. It has a silly face and is a master of disguise. Their eyes are usually half closed, and they perch upon the stumps of broken branches during the day. You'll be lucky to see one of these birds because, first of all, they are nocturnal creatures, and secondly, they camouflage themselves so well that it makes it almost impossible to spot them. Number 14. Boiling river. A river that can kill or boil anything that falls into it, but not many people know about it. With maximum temperatures of over 200 degrees Fahrenheit and boiling in 20 different ways, this river is hot enough to poach your egg and boil to death anything that falls into it. The river is located in the Maya-Tuyacu Sanctuary, part of the Huanaco High Forest, an area inhabited by the Ashaninka community. Legends say that the boiling water is birthed by Yucamama, a giant serpent and the mother of the waters. Science, however, is lagging behind myths because no theory as such has been able to justify its existence. Number 13. Cordyceps fungus. Found in tropical forests of the Amazon, a parasitic fungus called cordyceps is known to infect insects, especially ants, to multiply their numbers. Researchers think this fungus infects a foraging ant through spores that attach and penetrate the exoskeleton and slowly take over its behavior by controlling its brains. A network of roots infiltrates her muscles that flood her brain with chemicals, drugging and compelling her to head where conditions are perfect for reproduction. Number 12. Victoria amazonica. The Amazon rainforest has a lot of big surprises, but this one is truly amazing and terrifying at the same time. See these round green lilies, the biggest of its kind that can hold the weight of an average person, and it is native to the Amazon. This plant, named after Queen Victoria of the United Kingdom, can reach 3 meters in diameter and looks astonishingly beautiful. But be careful if you decide to step on it. Its leaves have thorns that protect this unique flower from predators. Number 11. RAFFLESIA ARNOLDI. This is Rafflesia, the world's biggest flower, and terrifyingly enough, this plant has no roots, stems, or leaves. The plant is noted for producing the largest individual flower on Earth, which has a strong and unpleasant odor of rotting flesh. This plant is on the verge of extinction and is considered to be one of the rarest plants in the world, native to the rainforests of Sumatra and Borneo. Number 10. Green anacondas. Found throughout South America, green anacondas reside in swamps, marshes, and rivers. These gigantic snakes can reach up to 30 feet in length and weigh an amazing 550 pounds. Unlike popular belief, anacondas aren't much of a threat on land, as they are too cumbersome to move quickly. In water, they have supremacy, where they can move with devastating speed. Once they locate and ambush their prey, they've been known to take down jaguars and even cows. Number 9. Poison dart frogs. These bright-colored frogs might not appear harmful to you, but a single poison dart frog can kill up to 10 adult humans with a simple touch. Various types of dart frogs inhabit tropical forests in South America and appear harmless at first glance, and are quite lovely, but they are among the deadliest creatures on the planet because of a potent toxin seeping from their skin. Number 8. Electric eels. They discharge electric shots and look like an eel, hence the name electric eels. The maximum known discharge of this terrifying animal was around 860 volts, more than enough to make the heart of a human stop beating. They are known to grow up to 8 feet and stun and kill people. They are more closely related to carp and catfish than they are to true eels. They cannot breathe underwater and therefore are known to inhabit the swamps and creeks in the Amazon forest. They can weigh up to 44 pounds and create voltage by using 80% of their body mass to store 6,000 or so cells that act like tiny batteries. Once the cells are fully charged, the eel can release all the stored energy at once, or in a few attempts, depending on how the fish feel about it. Number 7. Pink dolphin. The largest freshwater dolphins, also known as the Amazon River dolphin or POTOO, are pink in color and thus named as the pink dolphin. They are up to 9 feet long and weigh around 300 pounds. The coloring is believed to be scar tissue, with capillaries being so close to the skin from rough games or fighting over conquests. The brighter the pink, the more attractive the males are to females, especially during mating season. And the dolphins can bite you, of course. They are dangerous. Number 6. Marine iguanas. These colorful lizards are the only extant marine lizards in the entire world that have evolved their marine lifestyle because of the nature of their ecosystem, as well as the abundance of food in the surrounding reefs. How deep they are going in water depends on their strength, and they can dive up to 30 feet deep. They have specialized nasal glands that allow the seafaring creatures to filter the salt out of the seawater and expel it from their nostrils. Number 5. Galapagos hawk. This hawk is the only raptor to live in the Galapagos, and the only raptor that hunts primarily during the day. Comparatively, the Galapagos hawk is a rather smaller species, and often hunts smaller prey such as bugs and small lizards, but sometimes they are known to hunt and kill iguanas and tortoise hatchlings. They are an endangered species of hawk and have a small population, with only about 130 breeding territories believed to be in existence. Number 4. Black caiman. Although the smallest of all crocodiles, they are still capable of growing up to 20 feet in length and are one of the deadliest animals to call the Amazon River home. The dark coloring of its hide provides perfect camouflage for its nighttime hunts, allowing it to ambush unsuspecting prey in the water. The aggressive nature of this terrifying animal strikes terror into local human populations. Black caimans have been known to attack people who live or come for work near bank rivers. Number 3. Red-bellied piranha. The 2010 American comedy horror film Piranha has given this fish a bad reputation, but according to me, the red-bellied piranha is the most aggressive species of piranhas. These South American fish with razor-sharp teeth are feared by everyone, and should be. Piranha means toothfish in the Brazilian language of the Tupi people and is known to bite through steel, but some of these species are vegetarian. So, as I told you, the red-bellied piranha is considered one of the more dangerous and aggressive species of piranha. They are known for their frenzy attacks and eating. Normally, when red-bellied piranhas are feeding, they all spread out. When someone finds a food source, they signal everyone and they all start eating very orderly. Some of the fish will take a bite and then move aside so another fish can take a bite. Just one red-bellied piranha can eat around 2.46 grams of food per day, or around 1/8 its body mass. Take a look at this amazing clip when a mackerel was lowered into their tank. And now, let us move on to our subscriber pick of the day. This image was sent to us by one of our subscribers. Similarly, if you ever wish to know more about an image you come across, just send it on over to us. Who knows? We might even feature it in one of our videos. The subscriber pick. Today's subscriber pick has been sent to us by a man who wanted to know about this picture. Well, it's a whale, a humpback whale, that was found dead in the Amazon jungle of Brazil. While no definitive or scientific justifications were provided by the authorities on how that whale died and washed ashore, many speculate that it died by swallowing plastic from the river and an abnormally high tide washed it 12 kilometers from the riverbank. The dead body was found by some tourists along with locals, and experts were called in. The whale was at least 36 feet long and was a 12-month-old calf. Number 1. Walking palm tree. This entry is going to boggle your mind, and it truly deserves our number 1 slot. This is a tree that can walk. Have you ever come across plants that move or change their position? No, you wouldn't have seen it because there are only one species of tree on the planet that can walk, and it's deep in the Amazon rainforest. The speed of their walking has not been determined yet, but there are various opinions and theories related to the distance they cover. Some people believe that the moving process takes a couple of years, while one paleontologist suggests the trees move 2 or 3 centimeters per day. These trees are known as walking palms or Kashnapona. If you spot them in the forest, please don't wait until you see them move. Thank you very much for watching the video. Do like and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to not miss any of the upcoming amazing videos. Thank you once again.